How to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually send Bitcoin from Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to send Bitcoin from Cash App, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then launch the Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, in order to send Bitcoin, you need to buy Bitcoin and have some kind of Bitcoin. And in order to be able to buy Bitcoin, you need to have verified your identity. And only after you've done all the steps, you will be able to send Bitcoin. So basically, you want to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send. Let's say I want to enter and send $100 worth of Bitcoin that I want to send. For this, first of all, make sure you're under this dollar icon, right? And then right over here, you can see this little button that says USD. You just need to tap on this option, and then you want to actually switch to Bitcoin to be able to send Bitcoin. So basically just tap on Bitcoin. Now, as I told you earlier, in order to send Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin. To have Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin, and to buy Bitcoin, you can just tap on it. You need to have verified identity. So enter the worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy, tap on next over here, and then actually just go ahead and verify identity, which means that you have to simply enter your legal first name over here, and then you also want to make sure to enter your legal last name. Then once you enter your legal first name and last name, just tap on next, verify your addresses, enter your date of birth, and your Cash App account will be verified, and then you can send Bitcoin in that way. That is it for this video on how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.